Kids Storybooks. Subscribe.
The Little Deer and Mischievous Monkey. Once upon a time, in the heart of the enchanted forest, there lived a little deer named Daisy and a mischievous monkey named Milo. They were the best of friends, always exploring the magical wonders around them. One sunny morning, Daisy and Milo decided to embark on a thrilling adventure to find the legendary Rainbow Meadow. The friends giggled and pranced through the emerald green forest, their excitement echoing through the trees. As they journeyed deeper into the woods, the duo encountered a sparkling stream. Milo, the curious monkey, swung from tree branches, trying to catch the glimmering fireflies dancing above the water. Daisy, the gentle deer, drank from the crystal-clear stream, her eyes reflecting the magic that surrounded them. Their laughter attracted a wise old owl named Oliver. With a hoot, Oliver shared the secret to finding the Rainbow Meadow: kindness. The friends, inspired by this wisdom, set out on their quest with warm hearts. Through thickets and over hills, Daisy and Milo encountered challenges that tested their friendship. Yet, with each obstacle, their bond grew stronger. Finally, as the sun dipped below the horizon, they discovered the hidden Rainbow Meadow. Colors burst from the flowers, creating a breathtaking display that lit up the night. Hand in paw, hoof in hand, Daisy and Milo danced beneath the radiant rainbow. They realized that the true magic of the forest was not just in its enchanting beauty but in the friendship they shared. With hearts full of joy, they promised to explore many more wonders together in their beloved enchanted forest.